Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is Paul from Crypto Lifestyle, back with another video. In this video, we are taking an early look at Matic Finance, which is a new high-yield Dapp on Polygon chain with some nice features, a little bit different. So that's what I'm looking for. Let's see it. All right, guys, and we are back. So this thing is paying from 20-25% daily. Before we move forward, remember, guys, none of this is a financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any crypto. And remember, never invest too much, not more than you can afford to lose. So can this be sustainable at least for a few days so early investors can make profit here? Well, we're going to take a look at the white paper, but first of all, let's see the website. Looks a little bit different. I like the design. So it's not just, a simple fork of stakers. Okay, but they've done a little bit of work here. You can only withdraw every 12 hours here with the unlocked plans. Let's see the white paper for more details. Okay, so high yield investment program on Polygon network. They have this withdrawal fees, and the withdrawal fee is a lot, okay, but you're earning a lot here. But this works in a specific way. So when you withdraw, there's a 25% withdrawal fee. This is reinvested into the contract to sustain it. You also receive rewards from your auto reinvestment depending on the plan of your investment. Another 25% goes to the insurance upon withdrawal. The insurance contract serves as a primary backup contract to the main contract balance pool. So you're paying 50% fee for every withdrawal. Okay, so you're earning a lot, but you're paying this huge fee, which is actually making it similar in terms of returns to other competitors, but may act differently. So maybe it can last for enough time for first investors to take profit, and also the basic interest rate will rise here, will increase 0.5% every 24 hours, like we know from other stakers, other similar printers. Okay, so the 20% is a basic interest rate. It grows daily. The minimum deposit is 15 Matic. There is no maximum. 10% of our investment goes to admin wallet, so this is the admin fee. 5% goes to marketing address. I mean, from that in unlocked plans. As for the locked plans, 15% of every investment goes to admin wallet, and 5% from that goes to marketing wallet. Probably it's like that. Okay, so the unlocked tariff, the plan here for the first one, 14 days, pays 20% daily ROI. So if you're lucky, you can get 280% ROI here. So 180% is a clean profit. That's a lot, okay? But remember that from every withdrawal you pay the fee, 10% is sent to, so the fee is probably 15% here because the 10% is for the admin and 5% for the marketing. You can only withdraw every 12 hours. The second plan, I don't see the difference here. I mean, the ROI, daily ROI is the same. It's only, I mean, that's you will earn longer if this will still be the balance will still be here in 14 days, okay? And yeah, you have to pay two fees, and the 50% will go to auto reinvestment, and the second one to the insurance contract. The minimum withdrawal here is 30 Matic. So if you invest only the minimum here, you'll have to wait until you'll be able to withdraw. And the maximum withdrawal, the anti-whale limit is 20,000 Matic. And if anybody does this withdrawal, he won't be able to withdraw more. You have to wait for the next 12 hours. I mean, it's crazy degen stuff, but I'm really curious if this can bring profit. I mean, it is a little bit different, and usually this daily ROI go slower with the longer plans, but here it's the same. So basically, the best thing to do here is go with the just the first plan maybe, or you can try with the second one. Doesn't really make a difference here. Uh, it depends, what people will do. This is community based, of course. In the locked tariff, you won't be able to take daily withdrawals. You'll be able to take daily withdrawals here. Of course, you cannot withdraw your initial principal. You can only get this in the dividends. So if you withdraw daily, you'll get 10% to your wallet. 5% will be, I mean, yeah, 5% will be invested. 5% will go to insurance. So that's how this thing works. Yeah, but if you do daily withdrawals, you'll reinvest daily too. So your initial deposit will grow. So will your dividends. So yeah. And the referral commission they have here, they have 5 levels, 5% from level 1 from your directs. They have this insurance contract. Okay, these are instructions how to. If you go to their Telegram, you'll find out that they will release the audit at launch, so more or less in 20 hours. So I will wait for that as well. So I'm able to review the audit. I will probably do a video with live deposit tomorrow. So for now, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, like this video if you liked it. And you can join my Telegram chat to be updated frequently, and you can ask me any question there if you like or you have any problem. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you soon on the next video.